Hello guys and welcome back. I have another English grammar quiz for my beginners out there. But before we get started guys, as always, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button down there for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So let's get started with this English grammar quiz. Let's see if you can get them all correct, okay? Number one. Choose the correct form of the verb to be to complete the sentence. She blank a doctor. She am a doctor. B, she is a doctor. Or C, she are a doctor. And the answer is she is a doctor. Did you get that? Number two, which of the following sentences is in the past tense? A, the cat is sleeping. B, the dog will run. Or C, the bird flew away. And the answer is the bird, C, the bird flew away. Good job, guys. I hope you got that one correct. Number three, choose the correct form of the verb to have to complete the sentence. I blank a headache. I, A, have a headache. B, I has a headache. Or C, I had a headache. And the answer is A, I have a headache. Number four, which of the following sentences is in the present continuous tense? A, the sun rises in the east. B, the children are playing outside. Or C, the train will arrive at 8 p.m. And the answer is B, the children are playing outside. Number five, choose the correct pronoun to complete this sentence. John and blank went to the store. A, John and I went to the store. B, John and me went to the store. Or C, John and myself went to the store. And the answer is B, John and me went to the store. Number six, which of the following sentence contains a preposition? A, the dog barked loudly. B, she is singing a song. She is singing a song, B. Or C, he walked over the bridge. And the answer is C, he walked over the bridge. Number seven, choose the correct form of the verb to do to complete this sentence. They blank their homework every day. A, they do their homework every day. B, they does their homework every day. Or C, they did their homework every day. And the answer is A, they do their homework every day. Did you get that? I hope so. Number 8. Which of the following sentences is in the future tense? A. The flowers bloom in the spring. B. The concert is tonight. Or C. We will go to the beach next week. And the answer is C. We will go to the beach next week. Good job, guys. I know you got it. I know you got it correct. Number 9. Choose the correct article to complete the sentence. I want to buy blank apple. A. I want to buy a apple. B. I want to buy an apple. Or C. I want to buy the apple. And the answer is A. I want to buy a apple. And the last one, guys, number 10. Which of the following sentence is a question? A. The sky is blue. B. She is my sister. Or C. Do you like pizza? Did you get them all correct, guys? And the answer to number 10 is, do you like pizza? Did you get them all correct, guys? I hope so. If not, practice is the key. Practice is the key to understanding and learning grammar and the English language. Again, guys, thank you. Please like my page. Also hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it will be greatly appreciated. And I will see you doing the next English exercise. Don't forget to catch the next video, guys. Bye.